Hello children, now we will take the first lesson of your EVS 2. It is what is history. Now look at the book. Lesson number 1, what is history? History, a science that tells us about events in the past. जे पास्टमधले आहे ते इव्हेंट्स जे सांगतात ते म्हणजे हिस्ट्री असते. द नाव हिस्ट्री, अ सायन्स दॅट टेल्स अस अबाउट इव्हेंट्स इन द पास्ट. लास्ट इयर इन स्टँडर्ड 4th वी स्टडीड द लाईफ ऑफ छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज and his mission of establishing Swaraj. The time before the birth of Shivaji Maharaj was about 400 years before now, or in other words, the time 400 years ago. For our convenience, we divide time in different ways. Often we use words like now, some time ago, after some time, or today, yesterday, tomorrow, or this year, next year, etc. When we use these words, we are actually measuring time in our minds. Now, today, and this year are terms that indicate the present. Some time ago, yesterday, and last year are the terms that indicate the past. After some time, tomorrow, and next year are the words that indicate the future. The time that has already gone by is the past. The time that we are in now is present, and the time that is yet to come is future. The past includes many events that have already taken place. For example, if you are 10 years old today, it means that the event of your birth happened 10 years ago in the past. Similarly, after 10 years from now, that is, in future, you will be 20 years old. The time gone by between today and the day of your birth is your past. The past in the life of a person. The science that tries to understand past event is called history. The science that tries to understand past event is called history. The scientific method of history. In standard 3rd and 4th, as part of environmental studies, we have become acquainted with various sciences. The special characteristic of these sciences is that their facts or evidence can be tested in experiments, which can be repeated anywhere, anytime. This method of using a number of different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method. There are many things that happened since our birth that we may not know about. However, our grandparents or parents or others often tell us amusing stories of our childhood. Those stories are a part of their memory. However, when different people tell us about the same event, we find differences in their narrations. It makes us wonder which one is right. We need to examine the details of our narration carefully to decide its correctness of the facts. It is not possible to conduct experiments to recreate the event that have happened in the past. Therefore, the method of presenting history is different from that of other sciences. Even so, history uses the scientific method at every stage, namely, while looking for or collecting evidence, examining the evidence, and while putting it together. When required, help is also taken from other sciences. That is why history is considered to be a scientific discipline. History is not written solely on the base of imagination. That is, history is not imagination. These are not stories, but it had happened in the past. Ancient objects, structures, sculptures, pots, coins, inscriptions, copper plate, books, manuscripts, traditional stories, and songs remembered over many generations, etc., are the sources of history. Now, see which are the sources of histories: ancient object, structures, sculptures, pots, coins, inscriptions, copper plates, books, manuscripts, traditional stories, and songs remembered over many generations, etc., are the sources of history. The sources of history are of three types: material source, written source, and oral source. The sources of histories are of three types: material sources, written sources, and oral sources. In order to find out what happened in the past and how it happened, evidence available from all these sources is collected and thoroughly examined to determine the reliability. With the help of the evidence that stands these tests, past events are put in a proper sequence and a historical account is written. This is the scientific method.